Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Alok Gyan Sagar through this another video containing the latest job updates. Here again I have taken all these job informations from the Times Ascent newspaper. So coming on to the job updates, the Salwan Public School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi invites applications for the post of PGT in Chemistry and History, PA to Director, Accounts Assistant and Computer Lab Assistant. The details are available on the website www.spsmayurvihar.com and the interested candidates may apply within 10 days on the email ID director.spsmayurvihar@salwanschool.com. IIT Roorkee invites applications for the post of professors, associate professor and assistant professor in the departments, in all the departments and schools and centers. The last date for sending the application is 30th November 2021 and the details can be obtained from the website www.iitr.ac.in. Bharatiya Skill Development University Jaipur invites applications for the various positions and posts. The details about the eligibility and criteria can be obtained from the website www.bsdu.in and the last date for application is 31st October 2021. Synchron Digital Business Consulting Technology offers a lot of opportunities for several positions in digital business. The positions are at the locations Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Chennai, and the aspirants can apply on the email jobs@synchron.com. Red Group of Schools Jhajjar, Haryana has announced several vacancies of coaching experts, senior PGTs, PGTs, TGTs, etc. The details can be obtained from the website www.redschools.org. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited requires fixed-term research associates for its Research and Development Center at Bangalore. Details can be found on the website www.hindustanpetroleum.com and the deadline for the application is 31st October 2021. IIM Jammu invites applications for several non-faculty positions on regular and contract basis. The positions include web designer, accountant, junior engineer on contract, office assistant, hospital supervisor female and lower division clerk. The last date for online application is 14th November 2021 and the details can be obtained on the website www.iimj.ac.in. Applications are invited from Indian nationals for the post of Manager Marine Operations on deputation basis under Haldia Dock Complex, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata. Last date is 11 November 2021 and the website for details is smportkolkata.shipping.gov.in. Phonics Group of Institutions Hardwar, Uttarakhand invites applications for the post of Head of the Departments, Professors, Associate Professors, Assistant Professors and Lecturers for BTech, MBA and Applied Sciences, including BEd Department and Agricultural Disciplines. The candidates can email their CVs to career@phonicsedu.com. High Rank Business School Sector 62 Noida UP invites applications for the post of Director General, Assistant/Associate Professor, IT/Computer Science and Management, Placement Officer and Office Assistant. You can send your CVs on info@highrank.org and the details can be obtained from the website www.highrank.org. West Bengal National University of Judicial Sciences, Kolkata invites applications for several teaching positions on contract and regular post of Controller of Examinations. The last date for filling the application form is 30th October 2021 and the details can be obtained from the website www.nujs.edu. Neelkanth Group of Institutions, Meerut invites applications for professors, associate professors, assistant professors, lecturers, principal ITI and instructors ITI for all the trades. The details can be obtained from the website www.neelkanth.edu.in. Bhavant Group of Institutions, Bhagwantpuram District, Muzaffarnagar requires principal, registrar, assistant registrar and training and placement officer. The details can be obtained from the website www.bhagwantgroup.com. School of Planning and Architecture, Sector 9, Dwarka, New Delhi invites applications for the position of professors, assistant professors, associate professors, accountant and senior administrators. CVs can be emailed to mbsarchitecture@gmail.com and the deadline for applying is 28th October 2021. Downtown Charitable Trust Assam is inviting applications for assistant professors, associate professors and professors for Assam Downtown University and principal, vice principal, educators for its school. More details can be obtained from the website https:/bit.ly/2yfc79p. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited is hiring young and bright executives in engineering and geosciences discipline at E1 level through GATE 2021. The details can be obtained on the ONGC website www.ongcindia.com. So thanks again for watching this video. Please do support us by liking and sharing and subscribing the channel and the videos to optimize its dissemination. Thank you once again.